Good morning, everyone. Today is finally the bloody day, and I cannot believe that it has arrived. I thought, honestly, at one point that this was never going to happen. It is the day that I'll be picking up my best mate and my dog, Occy. He has been in Canada for the last 10 months. I've been trying to get him home, and due to COVID and other hurdles, it has kept getting delayed and delayed. I know that this has been a crazy year for so many, and especially the last couple of weeks has been crazy, so I'm excited to be able to share a good news story with you guys. For just a bit of a background, if you don't know me, I've had Occy since he was 8 weeks old. He's now 9 years old. We've spent the last few years adventuring overseas. We started in Canada, we built a self-converted camper van, and we drove it all the way down from Canada to the base of South America. Occy has been to over 17 countries. He's probably the most well-traveled dog you'll ever meet, and he is just an absolute legend. However, at the end of last year, things for me kind of took a bit of a turn for the worse at the time. I went through a really tough breakup, and that's what resulted in me coming home. I also found out at the time that it was going to be a long process to get Occy home. I never planned on being apart from him for so long, but then COVID struck and, I couldn't go and visit him.
We will be denying entry to Canada to people who are not Canadian citizens or permanent residents.
This has been the toughest year I've ever had mentally, and I have to say I've gone through some pretty hard times this year. It's been so tough not having Occy with me. Any of you that have a dog know how much support they provide and how much comfort. So yeah, that's just been one of those things that it's absolutely killed me, but I'm so excited to be having him back and getting him back soon. I'm going to do my best to bring you with me for this reunion. The quarantine facility itself is really strict. I know I'm going to have to wear a face mask. I'm hoping they're going to let me film, but we'll have to see how we go. Bear with me, and yeah, I cannot wait. Hope you guys are excited. I guess before we go, I better make the bloody bed. All right, let's go.
This is where these winding roads have led. I can see a day of gold ahead. It can't be done, impossible, they've said, but I'll get there. I'll get there. I will rise up. I will not fall. I will stand up. I will not fall. I will stay strong.
This is it.
Never giving up faith. I will go all the way. This will be the day. This will be the day. Now the moment's come for me to stand.
You'll come straight. Oh, good job. Hey, come here.
I'm never giving up faith.
You want to see your new home? You want to see your new home? He's in the bathroom. Come here. What do you think, buddy? Oh, good boy. Been waiting so long for this. Alright, we better... I'll grab the crate and get out of here and then we can... Oh. You look so good, buddy.
Never giving up faith.
Oh.
I will go all the way. This will be the day.
Up. Sit. Good boy. Stay.
This will be the day.
Good boy. He's like, I swear he's like nothing's ever happened. Like he looks, you know, he looks completely normal. He looks happy. He doesn't look stressed or anything. Doesn't miss a beat, this dog. All right, let's head back to the farm. And just like that, I feel like a bit of balance has been restored to my life. As you can probably tell, I am so stoked to have Occy back with me. I wish I had the camera on when the quarantine worker first came up to me, because when she asked which dog was mine, I said Occy. Her reaction was priceless. She was like, oh, Occy, he's so cute. He's been such a good boy. So as a proud parent, I'm very happy to hear that. And I'm more than anything happy to see that he's well. I mean, he's put on a little bit of weight. He's looking a little bit chubby, but we're going to be doing our own kind of fitness journey over the summer, aren't we, Ock? To get him back in tip-top shape. If you're interested in seeing more of Occy and our adventures, please hit the subscribe button. I'm also going to be putting up some stories of Occy on my Instagram to keep everyone happy in between episodes, because I am going to take a little bit of a break just to enjoy some time with Ock. So I'll put my Instagram up here too. I really hope you enjoyed this and it brought some happiness for you. Be kind to one another, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
I will rise up.